Imagine going to the hospital with abdominal pain and a dry cough, only to discover that you have a live worm in your brain. That's exactly what happened to a 64-year-old woman from southeastern New South Wales, Australia. After suffering from forgetfulness and depression, she was referred to Canberra Hospital, where an MRI scan revealed abnormalities in her brain. During surgery, neurosurgeon Dr. Hari Priyabandi made a shocking discovery. An 8 centimeters long parasitic roundworm was wriggling inside her patient's brain. The worm was identified as Ophidascaris robertsi, a roundworm usually found in pythons. This marks the world's first case of the parasite being found in humans. The patient, who resides near a lake area inhabited by carpet pythons, is believed to have been infected by touching native grass or eating greens contaminated by python feces. She is now recovering well and being regularly monitored. This once-in-a-career finding has left doctors and scientists amazed and highlights the importance of careful hygiene when handling food.